This is Radio Tirana. This is Radio Tirana broadcast in English. From the 29th of March 2015 to the 24th of October 2015, Radio Tirana broadcasts in the following times and frequencies.
Is Radio Havana, Cuba. Broadcasting from Cuba, free territory of the Americas.
We're broadcasting in English on shortwave and real audio online at www.radiohc.cu.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Radio Havana, Cuba's English language broadcast for this.
This is Radio Romania International. You are listening to our one-hour broadcast in English for listeners in Western Europe and Japan. We can also be heard on the internet in WMA, MP3, and AAC Plus formats at www.rri.ro Channel 1. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Flickr, and Pinterest. We wish you good reception conditions.
This is the Voice of Turkey. This is the Voice of Turkey. This is the Voice of Turkey's English language transmission, broadcasting from Ankara in the 31 meter band between 1830 and 1930 UTC on 9785 kHz to Europe, between 2030 and 2130 UTC in the 41 meter band on 7205 kHz to South Asia and Australia, between 2200 and 2300 UTC in the 31 meter band.